ओम श्री सतनाम साखी, Jai Sri Krishna. Satsang Varkha, Part 1, Discourse 5. Guru Maharaj Ji said, all the saints and scriptures teach us that it is necessary to have at least two things in a human being, and that is the spirit of enlightenment and philanthropy. Without these two things, a man's life is useless. He is a burden on this planet. Philanthropy means to serve those who are weaker than us through our means of money, time, and our body to the best of our capability. Showing the right path to the misguided, feeding the hungry, giving clothes to the naked, and drinking water to the thirsty. It is the main religion of man to serve those who are in need. If you cannot serve such people through your means, serve them by speaking to them with compassion and love. It is the duty of a human being to have a pure spirit of benevolence. Without such feelings, how can one be called a human being? The second is self-knowledge, knowing oneself, knowing one's personal nature. In reality, we are not who we think we are. Man thinks he is this body, or he is this mind, or something else. But that is not our form. We are the one who is running this body mechanically, the soul. The soul drives everything in the body, the macro and micro, etc. That self is our true form. If a parrot sitting inside a cage thinks he is a cage, then that is a great mistake. He always wishes to be in the cage. That is his mistake. We make the same mistake. If someone asks us, who are we? We say, we are this body. This is our greatest mistake. This body is our cage, and our soul is the parrot. If we also consider ourselves to be in the cage like that parrot, that is our ignorance. Our form is also different from the cage like that parrot. Our soul lives in the body, but is still separate from the body. Out of ignorance, we consider our body to be everything. How can this mistake be rectified? The answer is, when we take refuge in the feet of a knowledgeable, great man and learn from him. We will gain wisdom from which this illusion and this ignorance will be diminished. Then, instead of considering yourself as a body, you will understand who you really are. Just as a man goes to Japan for travel or business, but during his stay, he does not consider himself to be a Japanese. That is his complete understanding. Even while living in Japan, he is called a Hindustani. He is called a Hindu. Then this is complete knowledge. And if such a person thinks he is Japanese, that is his delusion. What can be a greater mistake than this? People ask, what is sin? Such a mistake is a sin. Not considering ourselves a soul, not believing in our true self but in our untrue self. This is our biggest ignorance and our biggest mistake. When Swami Ramtirth went to America, people asked him, what is considered a sin in Indian philosophy? Swami Ramtirth said, forgetting one's true self is a sin. Not considering ourselves a soul is a sin. Just as God is the form of Sat Chit Anand, the soul is also a form of Sat Chit Anand. The son of a Brahmin will be a Brahmin. A Kshatriya's son will be a Kshatriya. A jewelry made of gold would be called gold, and jewelry made of silver would be called silver. In the same way, this material creation has originated from God, and this too is the form of God. Our soul has appeared from the Supreme Soul. So, we are like God. God is the form of Satchidanand. In the same way, the soul is also the form of Satchidanand. When a person, by mistake and ignorance, does not consider himself to be a soul, that is, Sat Chid Anand, and considers himself as anything else, then that is a sin. That is a crime. बोलिए सतगुरुदेव भगवान की जय.